Hello, hello. Are you an artist wondering how to list your artwork as an NFT? Then this one's for you. Why I'm doing this beginner friendly tutorial is because many of my friends have been asking me whether they have to pay a huge amount of gas fees to list their NFTs. And the answer to that is no, absolutely not. You don't have to pay anything to lazy mint your artwork on platforms or marketplaces like Rarible. And by the end of this tutorial, if you follow it right, you'll be able to list your first ever NFT. You'll be able to lazy mint your first ever NFT, all right? How good is that? So let's get started. Step one is to install MetaMask. So go ahead and search MetaMask on Google Chrome. The first link that comes is metamask.io. Go ahead and select that one. Okay, so once you select that, you'll be taken to this page where it asks you to install MetaMask for your browser. And I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to click Install MetaMask for Chrome. And it will take you to this page where it asks you to add MetaMask as an extension to your Chrome browser. Go ahead and select that one. Okay, this pop-up comes in. Make sure you click Add the extension. And yeah, you've done that part. You've added the extension, and it will take you to this page where you have to, set up your MetaMask account. So go ahead and select Get Started. Alrighty, you have two options. If you're already a user, if you already have a wallet, you can import that one using the secret recovery phrase. But I'm assuming that you're a beginner, and we are gonna create a wallet. So go ahead and select Create a Wallet. Now, this one is absolutely optional. You can choose to send them data or not. That is up to you. And you will be taken to the Create Password page where you have to type in your password and you have to agree to the terms of use. Go ahead and do that. Alrighty, so this video, you can always watch that one. It basically says that you should never ever share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. It is very crucial that you share it, that you do not share it and you save it somewhere very safe, all right? Maybe memorize it. They do have the option somewhere to memorize it. All right, because it's the master key to your wallet and to your funds and everything that you do, so make sure you do that. Go ahead and click Next once you're done watching that video up there. Alrighty, now they'll ask you whether you want them to reveal your secret phrase now or whether you want to do it later. So I'm gonna do remind me later because it's crucial. Maybe I'm gonna memorize this phrase like they have mentioned here, so I'm gonna put remind me later. And there you are, you got your account, you got your MetaMask account. Congratulations on that. You have created your MetaMask account. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to step 2 where we're going to sign up on Rarible using this MetaMask wallet you just created. All right. So what we're going to do is go ahead and search Rarible and click on the first link that pops up, which is rarible.com, and it will take you to this beautiful page. This is where we're gonna place, this marketplace is where we're gonna list our NFT. Excited? Okay, so once you're here, on the top right corner, you can see the sign in option. So click on that one and they'll ask you how you wanna sign up, So we are using MetaMask, so go ahead and select sign in with MetaMask. It will take you here. They'll ask you to accept their terms and conditions and also make sure that you're at least 13 years old. Go ahead and select all that and proceed. So now you have successfully connected your MetaMask account with your Rarible account. How good is that? Okay, so on the top right corner, you don't have any profile set up. You have the default thingy right there. You can click there and you can see your balance and you can see your profile. You have this edit profile option. You have the sign out option. You are having multiple options. I want you to select my profile It will take you to a profile where you don't have any artworks or any NFTs yet. You're not following anyone. You can play around here. Now we're going to the most interesting part of this tutorial, which is lazy minting your first NFT. Alrighty, let's get into it. Okay, before that, one more thing. You should make sure that you subscribe to get notified to your email, to your inbox, so that you don't always have to, what if your NFT gets sold one good day and you will get a notification instantly. So make sure you put in your email right there and get all the notifications to your inbox, so that when someone buys your artwork or when you have a new follower, whatever that is, you will get an email notification. So do that one. And then these are the different options you have on Rarible, Explore, and all those things. I was just showing you all that. I want you to click on Create. So first things first, you want to click on Create. This is the most interesting part of this tutorial. You're going to create your first NFT, all right? You're going to lazy mint your first NFT. So go ahead and click on the glossy Create option. So they'll ask you to choose a blockchain. We're going to use Ethereum, create using Ethereum, because we have signed in using MetaMask, which is an Ethereum wallet. So you will have the create option there already because you have signed in with your MetaMask wallet. So go ahead and click on Ethereum, create. Okay, here you can choose the type of your artwork. That is, when you're putting in an NFT, you can put it as a single piece, like that is unique, that's the only one that's sold, or you can have multiple pieces. That one is limited edition. Say you can sell up to maybe 100 pieces for 0.01 ETH each. So you can either do limited edition or you can do a single copy. It's up to you. You can choose either one of that. And I'm assuming that you have your NFT artwork already created, ready to go. So if you have it, I have mine here already. I'm going to select that one. So you have a choose file option. Once you click the type, you'll have a choose file option. And I'm going to select my artwork. And there it is. I chose a single item. I'm not doing limited edition right now for this tutorial. So I chose a single item. And I have uploaded my NFT artwork right here. Isn't that cute? Alrighty. So I hope you're with me and you've done till here. What we're gonna do next is scroll down. You can see, you can put a fixed price, you can do open for bids, you can put timed auction or anything like that. I'm gonna do a fixed price, and I'm gonna put a price like 0.15 ETH. So here you can see how much is the service fee, which is 2.5%, and how much you will receive. You will receive almost 4.146 ETH, which is around $354, right? So you can put in your price for your artwork, and then you can scroll further down, and there it is. There is a free minting option. That is lazy minting. That is your buyer will pay the gas fees for minting. You don't have to pay anything. You just have to select this one, free minting, to put in your name, name of the NFT, and every other good stuff right there. And also you can put in your royalties, like how many percentage you want as royalty when this artwork gets sold, and when they're selling it again or using it, you always get the royalty. Okay, that's that. You can, of course, add more things like description. You can use advanced settings and add properties and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna end it here. So go ahead and select create item. There you are. So your first NFT is created. Isn't that great? You can go ahead and share it on your social handles. Congratulations on lazy minting your very first NFT. Do put in the link in the comment section. I'll for sure go check it out, and I'll like it, and I'll follow you back. Righty? So here I'm just explaining how to edit your profile. You can go ahead and fill in all those good information, and also make sure that you get verified. Verifying your account gives you more trust in the marketplace. You'll get that golden tick right next to your profile, and that looks good. And you'll get more trust in the marketplace, and the chances are more buyers will buy your item when you are verified. So make sure that you get your account verified. And these are the steps you need to follow. You just need to click your account on the top right corner, edit profile, all these details. You can add them in. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm just going to show you how to do it. Righty. Once that's done, once that part is done, I'll show you how my profile looks. And yes, I have verified my account already. So my page looks like this. I'll put the link in the bio. Make sure you follow me and I'll follow you back. Do let me know. Do put in your URL in the comment section so that I can go ahead and follow you back. And if you're sharing your NFT artwork through Twitter or Instagram, do tag me. I would love to retweet it, reshare it. And yeah, that's that. I hope you all love this tutorial and you're all going to try it out. Or you have already tried it out. That's it, guys. So have a good rest of the day. Bye.